This is the story of a man who woke up after 7 long years only to face a world he could never have imagined. A dimly lit hospital room, a man slowly opens his eyes, disoriented and weak.
Where am I? How long have I been asleep?
Good evening. I am Imo, your personal assistant. You have been in a coma for 7 years.
7 years? What have been changed? What happened?
Look, patient.
Welcome back. It's a miracle you're awake.
Doctor, could you please call my family?
Yeah, sure. They'll be arriving shortly.
Soon his family arrives to take him home filled with joy and tears.
Daddy, you're finally awake. I missed you so much.
Why did you leave us for such a long time? Go home. We have so much to catch up on. Scene 2 at home. The family arrives with technological upgrades in the house.
Why won't this door open? Is it stuck?
Look into the scanner, Dad.
That's it? What kind of magic is this?
Welcome to the future, Dad.
Inside, the father stares at the fan as it begins spinning on its own.
Is this? The house haunted? Why is the fan spinning by itself?
Dad, it's a motion activated. Whenever it senses someone nearby, it turns on.
I don't trust these machines. What happened to the good old switches?
The family laughs as they settle into their futuristic home, unaware of the challenges ahead. Alexa, what's the latest news? There are reports of strange virus causing unusual behaviors in people.
That's probably a fake news.
Mom, let's throw a party to celebrate Dad's return. Okay, fine, but just a small gathering. The family prepares for the party. The doorbell rings. Wow, it's my friends. Come in.
The friends come in and start dancing. Here's a pizza.
The family eats the pizza and starts acting weird and faints on the ground.
Why is everyone sneezing?
The man checks on the family. All of a sudden, the family attacks the man.
He rushes out of the house, running to his friend's place.
The man reaches the friend's house and bangs on his door.
What happened, bro?
My family, they've turned into zombies.
The man's friend pulls him inside.
Oh no, your family's already been infected?
Oh, I saw it in the news, but I thought it was fake.
Let's build some weapons to defend ourselves. The friends work tirelessly to make weapons.
Guys, I'm thirsty. Let me get some water and coke for us.
Ah! There's a zombie! Zombie, take this! Hey, wait, what did I do? Don't shoot me.
Finally, they have found the cure, which is the sanitizer gun.
Let us express our deepest gratitude to our doctors. Their dedication and sacrifices deserve our utmost respect and appreciation during recent pandemic. They are true heroes and we owe them a depth of gratitude that can never be fully repaid. Thank you, doctors, for your unwavering commitment to humanity. You inspire us all.